Meaning of Harlequin Romance.
Harlequin Romance.
Harlequin Romance.
Harlequin Romance.
Harlequin Romance. Harlequin Romance refers to a series of romance novels published by Harlequin Enterprises Limited. The books typically follow a formulaic plot with a focus on the romantic relationship between the two main characters. The stories often involve dramatic events and emotional conflicts, but ultimately end with a happy, optimistic resolution for the couple. The Harlequin Romance brand has become synonymous with the genre of romance novels, and has amassed a large following of avid readers who enjoy the escapism and emotional connection these books offer.